Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Gul Knowledge Hub. Today I have come up with an amazing topic for you to assist you in your task of becoming fluent in English, because I believe words are reflection of your personality. Words can make you, words can destroy you. It can be your career. So select the words wisely, because it's my faith that words are a bridge between you and the destination. If you want to cross this bridge of words to reach your destination, whatever is your destination, whatever are your dreams, only the words are the bridge. How to overcome, how to cross this bridge, and how to become master of words, how to communicate wisely, I am going to share with you a simple trick. You have to adopt this trick for 7 days only. If you accept this challenge, then let me know in the comment section that ma'am, I accept this challenge. Because this trick, I often call this trick 131 trick, are the best trick of words. What you have to do specifically in this trick, I am going to share the process. You have to understand the process, adopt this process, because it's my common belief that most of the people will watch this video and they will not adopt. They will not follow the process, and they will have this excuse that they are not becoming fluent in English, and because they are not following the tips and the tricks, they are only watching the videos. So if you are only watching the videos, please stop the video and don't rush. Don't follow the entire video. If you are really interested in that task, and if you are really desirous to become fluent in English and adopt this trick, only then you have to watch this video till the end. So what is the trick? How can you follow this trick? The trick is that the person whose English you like the most, whose accent, whose tone, accent, modulation of voice, how he chooses the words, how he selects the correct uses of words, and whatever is his style or methodology of conveying the message, you are impressed by that person. What you have to do for 7 entire days, you have to make a competition with that person. It can be a YouTube channel. Yes, my dear audience, it's an adventure. You have to accept it as an adventure, as a challenge, and you have to arouse your curiosity to do something great. You have to make the competition with the teacher or with the person whose English you like the most, whose accent you like the most, whose convincing power is the greatest of all. Now what is that method? How can you follow this method? You have to select only one sentence of that author, of that person. It can be anyone. You can like the sentence of my speech. Then what you have to do? You have to speak that sentence 3 times a day. You have to watch it. You have to practice it regularly, 1 hour in a day. Now what is the benefit of this? You will see the drastic change. Even if you are a beginner, you will see that you are at intermediate or you are at advanced level, because you are copying the style, the tone, modulation of the voice, the intonation, the pitch, how he rises his pitch, how he gets it down. You see the each and everything, the facial expressions, the body language, what kind of body language he or she is using. So you have to be very much conscious. You have to make a competition. Make a competition for 7 days. And your attitude should not be that I am becoming superior, I am becoming inferior. No, not the superiority complex or the inferiority complex should be in your path. Your whole focus should be on your destination, that by following this method, by following the method of shadowing, by following this method of practicing the voice, the tone, the accent, the pronunciation, how he or she is selecting the words, I have to adopt all these things because I want to reach my destination. You should focus on your on target. Don't focus on the persons who are backbiting you, who are pulling your legs, who are giving you a poor feedback, who are giving you a negative feedback. No, you don't have to keep an eye on. Just have an eye on your destination, whether it is your dreams, whether it is to get a job. So you will see within 7 days a tremendous change in your spoken English. If you like this concept, you have to follow this concept. Don't ignore this message. Don't ignore this video, because this video is very precious. You have to adopt it for 7 days, and after completion of 7 days, you have to come to this video and share your views. What was your experience? If you really like this video, kindly share, subscribe and hit that bell icon, because it motivates me to make much more informative videos for you guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.